How to create Netflix account in your mobile. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create a Netflix account on your mobile device. So if you want to create a Netflix account on your mobile device, you have to follow this step. First of all, navigate to your Chrome bar. Once you are on your Chrome bar, you have to just go for the sign up for Netflix here. Once you are here on your sign up for Netflix, here you have to just go for your netflix.com here. So if you want to create a Netflix account on your mobile device, which is a simple process, you have to follow this step to create an account. First of all, you have to navigate to your Google Play Store for your Android device or Apple Store for iOS. And here you have to search for the Netflix on the search bar. Once you have searched for the Netflix, if there is any update available, so once you have searched for the Netflix, here you have to install this on your device. If you have already installed this, you have to tap on the open option. Once you are here on your open option, on the top you can see the sign up option. Just go for that. And here on the bottom, if you are new to Netflix, you have to just go for the sign up now and just go for the get started. And here you have to provide your Gmail and just tap on the get started here. So just go for the continue to email. And here you have to just go for your email after that. And here you can see the create account confirmation link. Just tap on the create account confirmation link here. So here you can see that the account has been successfully created. First of all, you have to choose the plan that's right for you. After choosing your plan, just go for the next option. And here you have to choose how to pay. So after choosing your payment method, you will be successfully logged into your Netflix account. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily create your Netflix account on your mobile device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.